Hello guys. So we have completed SQL level 1 in the last journey, and SQL level 1 was having altogether 16 journeys component. From today we are going to start SQL level 2, and in SQL level 2 there will be journey number 17 to 75. And we are going to walk you through regarding data types, DDL, single row functions, join, aggregate, and few more topics. So let's start our journey for journey number 17. And basically in this journey, you are going to learn data type. So let's first try to understand what is data type basically. So in database, whenever you are going to work on a table, I have shown you in prior classes that whenever I was writing select a star from employees having 13 columns, employee ID, employee name, salary, department ID, and all these columns. So each column we have to decide at what kind of data we are going to store. Either we are going to store alphanumeric data or number data type, or we are going to store date or XML or LOB. LOB in the sense if you have big chunk of data, either suppose MS Word or picture or binary files like media files, we can store that too. So let's try to see what are the data types we have. So basically we have 4 types of data type: character, then number, then date, and then LOBs and XML. Character data type, we can store all the character as well as integer and special character values. So whatever symbols you have on your keyboard, like alphabets, numbers, special characters, everything can be stored in character data type. And in number data type, you can store only in like digits and decimal. Date, we store date. Like date can be having different format that you can set it up to display. But basically in the date data type, we can just store the date having month, date, and year, or you can store month, year, date along with time, hour, minute, second, and even you can store millisecond part also. That I will cover in very much detail when I will explain you date data type in detail in one of the journey. And then in date data type, there are facilities to even store time zone also. Now the last one is LOB. So whenever you go to any website and you just go and watch movie or see any picture or big chunk of multiple pages of information, all these data gets stored in LOBs. And the XML is one of the data type we have in database where we can store data even in XML format. So I can just show you quickly on database how the data type looks like for any table. I'm just going to log into Oracle database. And then I will just quickly show you in employees table for all these columns, what is the data type we have there. So if I'm going to log into Sandbox database, and I will just describe you the table. So there are multiple tables we have. I'm just going to focus on employees table actually. So if you will just see the data in employees table, we have employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, and lot many columns. By looking into the column, you can get the idea that in first name, we just have the character. And in employee, just having only digits. Phone number, we have dot. It's not decimal actually. So how to see the data type of the columns in any table? We can just write and describe and the table name. By just writing describe and the table name, you can see here employee is number data type. And what is 6? Basically, this having 6 digits. First name varchar 220. What is this varchar actually? I will explain you in the next journey when I'm going to teach you character data type. So basically this first name is character data type and it can have maximum 20 characters. Likewise, you can see hire date. This is the date data type. So my goal was today to just show you what are the different data types we have and how it works, what kind of information you are going to get there. So in the next journey, I'm going to show you in very much detail about our different data types, like with examples in our journeys. Thanks all of you, and we'll see you soon.